Hello everyone. It's time for your urgent dose of internet. The airport security staff was skeptical and had to take this guy to the back room for a closer look. This is a tunnel in Las Vegas made exclusively for Teslas to avoid traffic, but the problem is that it still has traffic jams.
Down here with all of this. Oh my, there's a traffic jam.
Oh, you know what? When it's busy with new people constantly, it's not too bad.
This is really bizarre. I couldn't find an explanation for why, but this frog refuses to jump outside of this circle.
Yeah, see?
That's the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.